Good day everyone! Our lesson for today is the arithmetic sequence. Ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? Ang arithmetic sequence ay a set of numbers na kapag pinag-minus mo ang dalawang magsunod na numbers ay iisa ang common difference nila. For example, number 1. Meron tayong 2, 6, 10, 14, and so on and so forth. So, tingnan natin kung pag pinag-minus natin sila, iisa ang common difference nila. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 4 is equals to 4. Eh, paano naman kung pang 10th term ang hinahanap? Paano ang gagawin natin? Gagamitin natin ang formulang ito, a of n equals to a of 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Ang a of n is nire-refer niya kung anong term ang hinahanap. A of 1 is unang term plus the quantity of n kung ano ang hinahanap minus 1 times d. Ang d is the common difference. So, paano kung pang 10th term ang hinahanap niya? Distribute muna natin ang hinahanap. A of 1 is 2. The common difference is 4. Ang n natin ay hinahanap ay pang 10th term. So, susulat natin yung formula and i-solve natin para mahanap natin yung a of 10. Ano yung formula? A of n equals a of 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Ano yung hinahanap? A of 10 equals a of 1 is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1. The common difference is 4. So, equals 2 plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 9 and copy the 4 equals 2 plus 9 times 4 is 36. So ang a of 10 natin is equals to 38. Paano naman natin ma-check kung tama siya? Ganito. 2, 6, 10, 14. A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Ano yung A of 5? Equals 14 plus 4 is 18. A of 6 is equals 18 plus 4 is 22. A of 7, 22 plus 4 is equals to 26. A of 8 is equals 26 plus 4 is 30. So, a of 9 is equals to 30 plus 4 is 34. A of 10 is equals to 38 kasi 34 plus 4 is 38. So, tama yung nakuha nating 38. A of 10 is equals to 38. Ito yung iniiwasan nating gawin kasi what if, pang 10th term nga yung hinahanap and malalaki yung number. So, kailangan natin tong formula to para magawa natin yung arithmetic sequence ng tama at maayos. Yun lang. Thank you.